Good morning, Denise. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. You'd expressed some interest in wanting a full-size pre-owned truck, and I actually have a few of them in inventory right now. I have a Ford F-150. It's an XLT, so it does have a couple luxury items on the inside. You also get really nice running boards. It is a V6. I also have a Chevy Z71 Colorado. This one's a 2016, about 16,000 miles. It's a diesel. Let's see if it's unlocked. Here we go. You get a power driver's seat and a power passenger seat, or partial power passenger seat. You also have partial leather, partial cloth on the inside, a really nice touchscreen display, heated and heated seats for driver and passenger. And that's pretty much it for my full-size trucks, pre-owned anyways. Otherwise, I have brand new Tundras that get a lifetime powertrain warranty in addition to complimentary maintenance, window tint, and some other really nice extras when you buy pre-owned. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number here is 321-254-8888, and my extension is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, Denise, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.